What's the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org? In a nutshell, WordPress.com is the light edition of WordPress. So, what is WordPress? WordPress is a very simple way in creating websites and blogs. It comes with a content management system where it allows you to easily manage your blogs. What are the benefits of WordPress? WordPress allows you to easily customize your website, easily manage your website. Search engines love WordPress, and 37% of all websites are made on WordPress, which is around 75 million websites. So the difference, they both have WordPress in the title, they both help you create a website. WordPress.com starts off at free. Then it goes to £3, £7, £20 and £36. For the free edition, you'll be running adverts from WordPress. So I've been on a restaurant's website once and they've used WordPress free edition, and it felt like more of an advertisement website for another company than it did for the restaurants. So you will have to pay to upgrade. Once you upgrade to the personal and you're paying a few pounds per month, you will still find you're limited and you can't fully customize your website. You can't install certain plugins. So what's a plugin? It's just an extra bolt-on to your website. You just click download. It's like an app. Depending on which one you get, you could download one to make your website go faster. It's just an extension. So for the free and personal edition of WordPress.com, you can't install your own plugins and you can't install your own themes. Now, a theme is just, in a nutshell, it's just a way to customize your website, a template. So let's say your navigation bar at the top said home, contact, about, and it was in blue. You could click another theme and it will be on the left-hand side and it'll be in yellow. Or instead of having big sections with your photos, there'll be 6 small ones. It just changes the feel of it, which allows you to customize and make your website unique. If you can't do it on the free edition and the personal edition, you're going to then have to upgrade. WordPress.org is brilliant. It's the one I create my website on. It's the one I create all my clients' websites on. It's the one which has helped me rank number 1, position 1 in several different search engines, and my clients have seen the same success. To begin with, there is more work involved in setting it up than WordPress.com. So WordPress.com, click, 5 minutes later, you've got your own blog. WordPress.org, you have to find and research a hosting company, which I can help you out either directly or in my other videos. And then you have to install WordPress onto the hosting company, which is much easier these days than it used to be. And then you have to start designing and making your website, but it all pays off in the end. And I've got tutorials about how to do each and every single one of these steps. You just need to put a little bit of work in at the start and it'll pay for itself. WordPress.org is cheaper in the long run. So hosting packages, which is a whole different conversation in itself, can start from a few pounds. So it'll be cheaper than WordPress.com, where if you're on the £20, £36, well, you can see straight away in the first month you spent more money. WordPress.org, because you fully customize your website and because it's yours, you're unfortunately responsible for all the updates and maintenance of it, which is really simple to do, but it's something you have to be aware of. Whereas WordPress.com, like I say, click, you've done it. Hello, my name's Simon. I'm an SEO consultant, a web designer, and a freelance digital marketer. I absolutely love what I do. If you found this video useful and you like the fact that I answered your question in the first few seconds and then elaborated it without any fluff, can you please like, comment, and subscribe to the video? And by doing that, I'll know what you like. I get back to all questions and comments promptly. I'll expand, answer your questions, and if needed, I'll make a new video just for you. Thank you ever so much. Bye.